How to back up all data on iPhone before you reset it. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can back up all of your data on your iPhone before you reset it. So let us get started. First of all, head over to your settings. Now here what you can do is you can back up using your iCloud. After you tap on your Apple ID to head over to your Apple account settings, you will see iCloud option. Tap on iCloud. After you've done that, you should see that you can now enable your backup. Now as you can see, my backup failed because I do not have the storage. Now the thing is, you can upgrade your storage by simply paying for it each month. Now there are many other packages available too, so you can go through it and check it out. Now select the one that is the most suitable for you, and after you do that, you can simply back up everything that is on your device. As you can see right here, you can back up your photos, your drives, your mails, your passwords and keychains, your notes, your messages, and so much more. You can even back up everything from your apps. So yeah, you can basically back up everything. All you need is to create an iCloud account and have enough iCloud storage. And after you do that, whenever you reset your iPhone, you can simply log in with your Apple ID and you can recover your data with your iCloud. And yeah, that is how you do it, guys. And that is all for the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.